Hello there. I'm Charlie, Hampshire's handiest carpenter, joiner, and all-around general builder. Welcome to my world of wood, where quality craftsmanship meets, well, a touch of chaos. In the realm of woodworking, quality isn't just a word, it's a craft. Here, every cut is precise, every joint is snug, and every finish is as smooth as my dance moves at a carpentry convention. But what's craftsmanship without cleanliness? Here in Hampshire, we believe in leaving places tidier than a librarian's bookshelf. Time is of the essence, and in my book, late is a four-letter word. We start on time, finish on time, and sometimes we're so on time that time itself wonders where we've been hiding. Balancing the budget is a bit like ballet. It requires grace, precision, and the occasional leap of faith. But fear not, with me your wallet won't do the splits. So if you're looking for a carpenter who combines quality with a quirk and professionalism with punctuality, look no further. I'm your man, or rather your carpenter. Here in Hampshire, we don't just build projects, we build dreams, and we clean up afterwards. Give us a call and let's create something extraordinary together. And remember, in a world full of nails, be a hammer, preferably one with a sense of humor